27 daily habits to build a strong romantic relationship. Here are some steps you can turn into daily habits that build a strong romantic relationship with your partner. Let's start. Number 1. Always go to bed at the same time. Going to bed at the same time is not a common habit among couples these days, but it can help you build a strong romantic bond. Couples who go to bed together have a more trusting relationship than those who do not. You do not have to fall asleep all at once, but if your schedule allows, at least go to bed and go to bed together. Number 2. Say those 3 words. If you want to have a more personal relationship, you must learn to say the words "I love you." I love you, when properly spoken, can warm the heart of your partner so they can master the art of slipping into conversations or making other changes like "you" or "you are my world." Make sure you say them as an expression of your true feelings. Number 3. Compliment each other. Happy couples know that compliments are an essential habit for a lasting relationship. Giving each other heartfelt compliments is the easiest way to put a smile on your partner's face. Always find things to compliment your partner. Tell her how great she looks from those jeans, or tell him how strong he is. You know how happy and proud your spouse is to have him or her in your life, and never forget the things you first attracted to them. Number 4. Speak the language of love to each other. Have you ever wondered why your partner may not see the expression of your heartfelt love? Often because you speak different romantic languages. Love languages are basically the way we show and accept love, because we do not all interpret love in the same way. Words of assurance of your partner's love language can be your quality time. Number 5. Laugh together. A relationship without a smile, like a military drill. You can see that the smile brings the relationship to life. It's always nice to see a couple laughing together, so make it a point to always find a way to add a smile to your relationship. Make fun of your partner, watch a comedy show, or remind yourself of those embarrassing funny moments until you laugh together. Number 6. Engage in physical intimacy. Physical intimacy is one of the most important parts of a romantic relationship, so you should kiss and hold each other's hands. It's a great way to express your love, care, and support. Do not hesitate whenever you need to pet your lover. Number 7. Correct any fights you may have during the day. Never go to bed until your problems are solved. If you have a dispute or disagreement, you should discuss it and resolve the issue. This way, you will understand the causes of your problems and avoid new conflicts by solving your problems. Problems will get you closer before you go to sleep. Number 8. Focus on the little things. Believe it or not, little things count, and focusing on minute information can be the difference between a happy relationship and a sad one. Focusing on the little things your partner loves about their needs and trying to do them often will keep them happy. Also, avoiding the small things that make them angry will save you a lot of stress in the long run. Don't ignore the little things to build a strong relationship. They count. Number 9. Talk about your future. Many people are afraid to talk about it. They do not want to scare their partner and ruin their relationship. However, couples who are not afraid to discuss their future are the strongest people who truly love each other and want to be together despite all possible. Number 10. Declare the value. Making it a habit to express gratitude for resuming even the smallest posture that can bring joy to your partner is an alternative approach to appreciating and loving your partner. It makes them feel extremely special to thank them for their time and express to them how grateful you are that they are in your life. Showing genuine gratitude for what they do not only makes them happy and appreciative, but also motivates them to do more. Number 11. Cultivate common interests. Spending time together is very important to strengthen a relationship. Finding common interests and taking the time to pursue them together will always give you something to look forward to. Adding shared hobbies, be it a long walk, reading, or watching a movie, always beautifies your relationship. Number 12. Praise one another. You should always try to increase each other's self-esteem. Do not miss the opportunity to praise each other. This way your partner will show you that you are the best. You will express your love. Number 13. Discover new ways to connect with each other. You should always try to find something new about each other, find new topics to discuss, new places you should go, and find new goals to achieve this way. This way you will renew your relationship and get closer. Number 14. Practice free and open communication. Communication is a great way to get to know each other better than to support and understand each other. It helps to resolve all issues and avoid conflicts, which is why it is so important to communicate with your loved one. Number 15. Stay connected throughout the day. Everyone is happy to receive unexpected messages or phone calls from someone they care about. You know how you feel when your boyfriend sends you a text message or talks to you. No matter how busy your schedule is, it may be enough to put a smile on your face and brighten your day a little. Check in regularly with your partner to see how they do. It is enough to have relationships with them to know that they are special. Number 16. Continue dating, make friends with them after marriage, and do not stop doing those things. So let it continue to date your partner, tell her to love them. Tell them why you love them, apologize to them when you are wrong, and call them to send them love messages. What you do in that relationship is what makes marriage sweet. Number 17. Be supportive. Be a supportive partner, be willing to give to your relationship, and you will soon go bankrupt if you continue to withdraw money without depositing in your relationship. Many relationships go bankrupt again. Many marriages today are bankrupt because they do not give us the time we deserve, the time we have to get, the attention we receive, the respect we receive. We do not give the love we receive. So the relationship is going bankrupt. Do not take your relationship away by making sure you always add to the relationship. So you will reap whatever you sow in your love relationship. If you sow quality time, you will reap quantity time. If you sow love, you will reap love. Number 18. Drop your phone. Another way to build a strong habit that can strengthen your connection is to drop your phone. You know your phone may get more attention than your wife or your husband, and you don't want to do it when you want to spend quality time with them. Stop using your phone. If you want to sit down, leave your phone and have a meaningful conversation. There is no connection beauty when you are both always on your phone or always on your laptop. When you talk to your partner, you feel that they are distracted by looking at your partner, so your partner is not visible by looking at your phone or watching TV. Number 19. Help with cooking and cleaning. Another habit that helps build your romance, helping with cooking and cleaning, is that it is always more fun when you choose to cook with your partner. The habit of cooking together builds a close relationship, so even one way to spend time with your partner. Maybe join him or her when he or she is in the kitchen so you can help them talk about things you can do. Number 20. Always show respect to your partner. Creating respect for your partner is a valuable habit because it is the raw material needed to have a happy, healthy, and lasting relationship. When you show respect to your partner, you are expressing your love, acceptance, and warmth. When you express disrespect, you declare that your partner does not accept you. Respecting your partner means appreciating who they are, including differences. You may have a different outlook on life, but this does not mean that you should disrespect your spouse. When you experience disagreements, make sure you respect your partner's differences. This will not allow you to disrespect your partner in public or in front of friends and family. Always show respect, especially when you have disagreements. Number 21. Bring your partner coffee in the morning. He loves to drink coffee and expresses love and affection by bringing it to him in the morning. If your partner likes to drink coffee in the morning, make it a habit and express love through this service action. When you bring a cup of coffee to partner, it shows that he or she care and that this is one way he can love him. Wake up a few minutes early so you and your partner can spend quality time together before going to work. This is a simple but powerful habit in happy relationships. Number 22. Look out for good qualities in your spouse. This is the first habit you need to build in order to have a strong relationship. You need to look for good qualities in your spouse. Every day, find out about the good qualities in your spouse. Do it every day, no matter how bad your spouse thinks you are. They have very good qualities, so if you focus on the bad qualities, you will start to see only the bad side of them. But you will appreciate them when you decide to focus on the good qualities on a daily basis. More than that, look for the good qualities in your spouse every day. Number 23. Surprise your spouse. Another habit for how to build a strong relationship with your partner is to surprise your partner. Everyone loves surprise ones. Do not wait until it is their birthday or your anniversary on a normal day. Number 24. Make time to talk. That's not to say that communication is important at a wedding, but it's surprisingly easy to come home and have your evening, babysitting, dinner, etc., and not have a real conversation with your spouse. Set aside at least 20 minutes a day for each other. Share details of your day, work events, funny stories you heard at the coffee shop, and anything else on your mind. It is equally important to talk about big goals, such as your goals, your expectations and plans for the future, and any stress or pleasure you may feel. In turn, be sure to listen to what your partner has to say. Number 25. Make intimacy a priority. Have an open and honest discussion about what you need to be physically and emotionally close to each other. Sex in particular is the best way for partners to be emotionally involved, but it can often come with weighty expectations and be influenced by like experiences. Create a safe place to discuss this with your spouse. Number 26. Consult one another. A relationship is a real partnership. Do not make big decisions without first consulting your partner. This does not mean that you should always agree. However, you can at least accept the influence of your partner by listening. This healthy habit of going to each other for advice or counseling shows that your partner values their opinion. Number 27. Kiss every day. Remember when you first fell in love, you felt like you could kiss for hours? Studies show that kissing and physical contact, such as holding hands, can have a powerful effect on our romantic relationships. When you get regular physical contact with your partner, you will feel emotionally close.